Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see you will get the Camera Go application already installed in this ROM. I have not installed, it is pre-built installed. So let's check the specification. What is the name of this ROM? So Android version 11. As you can see, this is the Arrow OS 11.0 version, unofficial. This is the not official version, but it is an official version. And here is the build date, 15 July build date, as you can see. And latest security patch and Android patch, as you can see, Android 11, Android R, and Google account you can easily log in. You have to flash the open gaps or nick gaps, bit gaps, whichever you want. It is not already installed. Let me show you the change logs of this ROM. Here is the camera quality is poor because my camera is very dusty. Sorry. And if I talk about change logs, initial 4.9 build, as you can see, Cellnex is enforcing added Gcam code is already added, as you can see in device change logs also. 275 and gaps is not included. Safety net pass by default without matches, as you can see. Enable matches hide to pass safety net. You can buy a copy at here, as you can see. Found bugs, you can tell. I have found 0 bugs in this ROM right now. And if I talk about the Volt is also working perfectly. Jio BSNL dual SIM is working perfectly, and Wi-Fi is also working. Bluetooth hotspot, everything is working perfectly fine, and flashlight is also working perfectly, as you can see. Camera flashlight is also working. Let's check the front flashlight if it is working or not. Let me show you the back side. As you can see, back side is working perfectly. Let me show you the front one. There is no option of front flash, as you can see. In Google Camera Go it is not working, it is not there. So if I talk about the Antutu benchmark, you can check the score. Here is the score of Antutu 3D benchmark, 88,330, and here is the CPU performance. GPU performance is also good. Gaming is good in this ROM, so don't worry. And here is the memory performance, UX data processing speed huge, as you can see, 0.5 increase in the temperature. And if I talk about 3D mark test, as I've already shown you that the safety net is passed and device is certified in this ROM. My result slingshot, here is the slingshot, 81% better than the Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices, and 21% of versus all over devices. And slingshot, here is the slingshot 35%, as you can see. This ROM is good for daily usage also. I recommend this ROM. This ROM is great, so don't worry. And let's check the screen lock, face unlock, and the password, fingerprint of this device. How fast is the face unlock and the fingerprint? Is it lightning fast or not, or it is slow? And vibration is also working perfectly. In call vibration is also working. And let's set the speed. Tap open. As you can see, speed of the fingerprint is also good in this ROM, but not lightning fast. As you can see, it is taking a lot of time to unlock your device. And now, as you can see, not lightning fast, but it is more better than average. And face unlock speed also. Let's check the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock first. Face unlock takes few seconds to apply. It is not very quick, and the unlocking speed is also very poor of face unlock. It does not detect your face easily. As you can see, it takes a lot of time. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, else it is average. Face unlock is average. And here is the buttons customization. Enable advanced restart. If you want to invert the layout navigation bar, you can enable it from here. And here are the few gestures features available. And sound is also very loud in this ROM, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. And we will check the BGMI performance also, else everything is working perfectly fine in this ROM. Each and every QSL is working perfectly. Brightness level, everything is working perfectly. All the download link will be in the description, and the installation link is also in the description, so you must check the description. So without wasting, let's check the BGMI performance. So now let's check the BGMI performance in Arrow OS ROM. There is no lag in the starting of ROM, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. If I talk about the performance is good in this ROM, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem by using it for daily usage and for gaming. This ROM is also good for gaming, but not better. If you are not a pro gamer, so you should not install this. If you are a pro gamer, you should not install this ROM. But if you are a daily use but if you use ROM only for daily usage, then you can install this. For proper keeping, you can try other ROMs like Lineage OS and many others. Right now I am not able to play. Else performance is good, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.